Hiya, welcome to Dogstar Tarot. I've got a new deck. It's the upside down Bonestone and Earthflesh Tarot, The Reawakening by Avalon Cameron, and the art's by Tourian. And I've got another deck by Tourian, the Tarot of the Abyss, which I love, and I love her art, so I thought I'd unbox it. It arrived a few hours ago and I was so excited to open it. I thought I'd do a video, so let's see what this looks like. It's a big box. So let's have a look. I just love it. You can tell the quality. Gorgeous book. Lovely book. Look, full colour illustrations. Okay. I'm just going to turn my phone on silent. Okay, and we've got a ribbon, which I always love. Okay. And oh wow, I'll show you the back of the cards. If I can get this off without damaging it. Look at the back. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay. Fool. I'm just going to go through the major arcana. The Magician, the grey one it says. I love these already. High Priestess. We've got a bit of nudity. YouTube doesn't like that, but there we go. The Empress, and more nudity. I'm going to need to get the crystals out. The Emperor. The Hierophant, I love that it's the grandmother. I'm going to like this deck, I know it. And the Lovers. Different Chariot. Doesn't look like that's racing anywhere, does it? Gentle Progress, that one, I think. Strength. Look at that with the lion and the elephant in the background. Oh my God. Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. Justice, the Warrior and the Veiled one it says. God, I love these. I can't wait to do a reading with these. Are there two there? Just, yeah. Sticking together a bit. The Hanged Man. I don't know why this one makes me all emotional. Death, Fallen Warrior. Yeah, gonna have to do a reading with these. I can already feel like a connection and I've only just opened them. Temperance. Yeah. Oh, the Devil. That's an interesting take on the devil, isn't it, that one? two stuck together again here. The Tower. It's a lot like the Fool, isn't it? All falling apart though. Looking forward to reading the book about this one as well. Oh, look at the star. Two eagles, it says, yeah. A moon. The sun. Judgment. And the world. Okay, so that's the majors. We'll have a quick look at the suits. Let's have a look what we've got. They're lovely. Just sticking together a little bit. I like the cardstock. It's really nice quality and it's not too shiny either. I've got some decks here that I absolutely love, but they're too shiny. They don't photograph well. So I'm just going to have a quick flick through them. The swords, Ace of Swords. It's interesting that that's a feather. The little barbed end there, like it looks more like a fishing, you know, things you catch fish with, a lure. Is it lure? Yeah. I'm always interested in the Three of Swords. Look at that one. It says the Charred Heart. Okay, these are some of the cards that I'm particularly drawn to. I think I'm not going to look through them all because this video is going to go on too long and take ages to upload. So then we've got the swords, then we've got the cups. Look at that, we've got the moon. Or is it the sun? No, it might be the sun. Super blood moon eclipse, Ace of Cups. Interesting, okay. So we've got the cups, 2 of Cups, 3. I want to look at the 10 of Cups. Oh, the 6 of Cups. Look at this. I love this. This is one of the reasons I got this 5 of Cups. Look at that. I love that. 6. 7 of Cups, a charlatan. Interesting. Morgana, the 8 of Cups. And look at the 10 of Cups, the Lunar Cup. I'm going to have to read the book. Very different to the normal 10 of Cups where you have a family and a rainbow and all and that jazz. Page, Knight, got Lady of the Lake, Queen, oh, King of Cups, Poseidon. Right, Wands. It's Ouroboros, the snake that eats itself, the serpent fire, Ace of Wands. Oh, love it. 2. Six of Wands. Oh my God. This is lovely, and it's not a really expensive deck. I got this off Amazon. The 10 of Wands. Page. Queen. King. Sun God Ra. Oh wow. These are stunning, stunning cards. Pentacles. The skull of the old one. Mandrake spirit, and the skull of the old one is the ace. I'll choose the rainbow spider. These are very different. I've got a feeling these might be more like a little bit like the Wildwood Tarot. They're a bit more the Wheel of the Year. 3 of Pentacles, or the 4 of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. 6. 7 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles. Dionysus is the page. Lilith is the knight. Baba Yaga, queen. And the green man, the King of Pentacles. So that's it. That's the Bonestone and Earthflesh Tarot by Avalon Cameron and art by Tourian. So look out for when I do a reading with these. They look like they're going to be interesting cards. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give me a like, share and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video.